All right, so today I'm creating a birthday template and I want it to feel really current and seasonal. Spring designs are doing so well right now, especially anything floral, wildflower inspired, that kind of full bloom look. So that's the direction I'm going with this. First thing, I'm going to remove these balloons. Now I want to update the heading to better match the theme. I'm going to duplicate this text here, bring it up to the top, and change it to say, "Our Little Wildflower." This feels a lot more on trend and niche specific, which is exactly what we want for something that's going to stand out in search. Now I'm just adjusting the layout a bit, moving everything up slightly and making sure the spacing feels balanced. This part is simple, but it makes a huge difference in how polished the final design looks. Next, let's go find a new illustration before we keep going. I'm going to search for some floral graphics, something soft, a little organic, not too structured. Let's scroll a bit. Oh, these are so cute. They're perfect. At first, they might not feel like they fit, and that's normal. Just trust the process here. We'll resize, reposition, and adjust until everything feels cohesive. That's already looking better. Now I'm going to duplicate this element and add it to the top as well, just to create a bit more visual balance and tie everything together. Next, I want the name to stand out more, so I'm going to tweak the color slightly, just enough to create contrast and make it pop without breaking the overall palette. And finally, I'm going to update this part of the heading to match the font we used earlier, so everything feels consistent. Now I'll do a quick final check, just making sure alignment, spacing, and hierarchy all feel clean and easy to read. And this is exactly the process you can repeat with any template. Start with a direction, make a few intentional changes, and focus on creating something that feels current and cohesive. Once you get comfortable with this, you can create multiple variations in minutes and build out an entire shop with designs that actually stand out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.